We are going to make beef keema with cauliflower using Robosouschef's Cheetah. First, fill the compartments of the tray A, B, C, and D, and place it on the Cheetah. Then, simply click Start Cooking on the screen. It will display the cooking time. Now, sit back and relax. The Cheetah will add the ingredients one by one, ensuring a consistent taste every time. After a short while, you'll see your beef keema is ready. Serve it and enjoy. Robosouschef's Cheetah, effective and effortless cooking.